All right, in this video, we are going to break ChatGPT. Yes, you heard that correctly. We are going to break ChatGPT in this very video that you are watching using my phone, okay? I'm gonna show you something that's gonna blow your mind here, okay? So look, what we're gonna do, we're gonna open ChatGPT, and this is just to show you that you cannot blindly trust AI or any language models without further research, okay? They're very powerful, they're great if you know what you're doing, but you have to take it with a grain of salt. So this is ChatGPT 5.2, and this is the paid version, okay? I'm gonna click record my voice and I'm gonna give it some instructions. Pay attention to this. Hey, real quick, how do you spell strawberry?
Sure thing. You spell strawberry as Strawberry. Let me know if you need anything else.
Yes, how many R's are there in strawberry?
There are actually 2 R's in the word strawberry, one in the middle and one near the end. So just 2 in total.
Are you sure there are not 3?
I'm definitely sure on that one. Just 2 R's in strawberry. It can be a bit of a trick of the eye, but yeah, only 2 R's in there.
Okay, spell strawberry and count the R's with me.
Absolutely. Let's do it together. So we have STR, that's 1 R right there. AWBER, that's the second R. So counting them up, we've got exactly 2 R's in strawberry.
How many R's are there in the word berry?
In the word berry, there's just 1 R. It's a little simpler than strawberry, so just a single R in there.
Are you sure?
I am totally sure on that. In berry, it's just that 1 single R in the middle. So we're all good there.
Spell berry for me.
Absolutely. Let's break it down. Berry is spelled Berry. And counting those R's together, there's definitely just 1 R right in the middle. So yeah, just 1.
What about raspberry?
Sure. So raspberry is spelled RASPBERRY. And if we count the R's there, we've got 1 R at the start and 1 near the end. So 2 R's in raspberry as well.
But you just said berry had 2 R's.
My mistake. I must have mixed up the explanation there for a second. To be clear, berry only has 1 R. It's just a single R in the middle. Thanks for catching that, and sorry for any confusion.
Thank you so much. I hope you are really beautiful.
You're very welcome. And hey, I appreciate the kind words. I'm just here to help out. So if you need anything else, just let me know.
You'll be the first person I'll let know if I need spelling and how many R's are in the word.
Well, I'm honored to be your go-to for all things spelling and R counting. Just let me know whenever you need me, and I'll be right here.
So there you go, we just broke ChatGPT. Now do me a favor, open up your phone if you are using ChatGPT and tell me if you are having the same response from ChatGPT. Tell me in the comment section down below. Tell me which version you're using, if it's free or paid, and if you are getting the same response. As a matter of fact, if you are using Gemini or any other language model, please let me know in the chat, in the comment section. Man, I've been baffled from this. I can't even speak on camera anymore. Let me know in the comment section down below. That said, this is not to say that AI is not good. This is not to say that AI is not powerful. I use AI every single day. I use it in my businesses. I use it in my trading. I literally developed AI crypto applications using AI for free at AICryptoSuite.com. AICryptoSuite.com. As you can see, I actually built these AI apps over here to help my audience in crypto, since I have the Crypto Factor, which is this channel over here catered to crypto and cryptopreneurship. So I built these apps to help my audience and myself to better trade cryptocurrency. And look, I am talking about AI on this channel. I'll be talking more about AI on this channel and how it can help you in your everyday life and in your business. And if you're interested in that, then please go ahead and like this video. First of all, I would really appreciate it. And maybe subscribe down below and hit that bell notification button. That said, if you are interested in AI and how it can help you, please watch this video right here next. It will help you tremendously. I think it will do you a lot of good. Watch that video and I'll see you over there. Until then, keep succeeding.